Hi everyone, my name is Fiona Bailey, aka the Poetic Patois Princess. This is the first time I'm ever doing a video blog. Just wanting to get closer to people who listen to my poetry and also to reach out to fellow Jamaicans, people who appreciate Patois, because that's mainly what I'm all about, staying strong in my roots and also to show that we can use it to glorify God. Everybody has a talent, and we must stay unique. I strongly believe that I can only be myself by myself. Nobody can be me. It doesn't matter what you try to do, you will never ever ever beat me at being me. So I don't try to be you, basically, and that is why I so believe in the uniqueness of what I do. I know that some people might already know of the name, or they might already know of some of my poetry, but this is just taking some time out to say, hey, I'm on the scene. This is madness. So if you want to know a little bit more about me, you can also visit fionabailey.com. You can also find me on Facebook. You can listen to some of my work as well on myspace.com. I'm on a mission to let everybody know that God chats Patois too. You see me?